front of me is Motorola Moto G54 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Notifications after scrolling down. Now select App Notifications at the top and click on Most Recent. Finally, tap on the best option for you, like Most Frequent, and click on one of those switches next to one of your apps to block notifications from it. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switches. You can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!